What's up, everybody? As you guys can see on the title of the video, the mods have started again. I just sold the SRT, and now I'm gonna start modding up the Q50 again, start making it quick again. And we're starting off today with the frozen boost. I don't know exactly which one. I gotta read the box, but it's a frozen boost intercooler because the Mishimoto one wasn't gonna work with it or whatever. I don't know. My boy told me what to get, and I got it. He has the same exact card as me. Go follow him on Instagram, Joe.Q50. But yeah, baby. So we are installing the intercooler today. Well, I'm not. I'm gonna be there, like helping out, working around them, seeing what they're doing. I'm gonna be filming just for you guys, get you some clips of them installing it and everything. And it looks like it's about to start raining over here. And it's a 4-hour drive from me. It's a whole hour and 30 minutes away. So we're busting a mission. My boy's gonna get up. He's gonna slap it on for me, him and his pops. So today is the day my baby starts getting modded again. I know I had detuned it in the past, but now I got these parts coming in, and I got a couple other mods. I'm not gonna say what I got coming in, but it's gonna be pretty dope. I got some pretty cool stuff coming for it, and I don't know exactly what else I want to get for it, but as of now, she's sitting pretty. But I want to start doing some more things and keep you guys updated with all this content. And let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think it's gonna increase horsepower like crazy since it's getting into like cooler weather out, or what? Let me know what you guys think, and stay tuned, baby, because we're about to be there in a little bit. But yeah, stay tuned.
Doesn't that look a lot better? And then we would put it all up.
This is the way most people have it in the package.
Hold it up.
You know where to put it?
Yeah. Hold it.
Do you want to put Teflon right here a little bit?
Put a little bit.
Just on that one.
Yeah. Because of the size difference, Behold, we decided to put it on Teflon on that one. But we shouldn't need it. We'll be okay. The tie's gonna squeeze the shit out of it, you know. You know what tie I'm talking about?
Yeah.
And again, we'll use the cleanest part of this hose again. Part from right here.
This is for the bottom piece?
That's what I had measured it for, Pop.
As long as it's correct.
Want to put Teflon or want me to tell you?
Yes, Teflon. And this to make it a little thicker. Up there.
No, I don't think we need it. Give me the.
What's it called? Arby's. What the hell is it called? This Wendy's is open, huh?
Yeah,
I haven't had Wendy's in a long time.
Wendy's is bomb.
I know it is.
I like Wendy's.
Don't do the fog lights too hard, don't remember?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill.